Hey guys, we're back at 9:57, running a dollar battle for Andrew. He's got some modern cards there. I got 100 spots, 3 winners it looked like at the top. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a moment. Copy them there. There you can see. Battle for 5. First place gets the first 2, second gets the second 2, third place gets the last. So we have 3 winners here. There's 100 spots, 100 entries in this battle. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We did, we got an 8. We're good. Good luck, guys. Here we go. David, round 1. Trapper 2. Steven 3. And 4. And 5. Michael 6. Mark 7. And our winners are Andrew, Mark, and Andrew. Congratulations, fellas. Here's our official results. XYAOLI. There they are. I am done. Oop, if I can get to the bottom here. I'm done at 9:58. As you can see, right here. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winners. See you guys. Thanks.